Friends, I would like to share my inputs to those who are running their press with a lot of restrictions and those who are still in the condition of the lockdown. And if post lockdown, I don't know when it is going to happen because the situation is day by day going to worst. So whenever the lockdown situation goes, what are the precautions all the press owners should take? I will just repeat one by one. Very first precaution everybody has to take before starting or switching on the power, they need to sanitize their entire plant from the entry point till the machinery, all the areas wherever they can see the open areas. Second thing, when you do the sanitization, please check the chemical what you are using and the flash point, which is very much essential. Flash point, if the chemicals are with the lower flash point, then it is very harmful because we are dealing with the paper. So how we maintain the higher flash point for our washes? Please check the chemicals with those higher washes. Before switching on the power, first of all, everybody should clean the dust with the dust remover manually. After that, don't blow, just use the vacuum and remove all the dust. Blowing the dust will aggregate all the problems. After removing all the dust, check the condition of the rollers because machine is standing in the same position since many days. So roller are very important for the printing. So need to check the rollers before turning the machine. First of all, please rotate machine with the hand, then slowly start inching process. I will talk about some CTP. Those who have not used CTP and forgot to empty their processors, then that chemical has gone with the reaction and create a lot of problems. So need to remove all that dirty chemicals, waste chemical, clean the entire system channel, and then pour the fresh chemical after washing it with the solvents and all, and then they can start the CTP. Before inching the machine or before starting the any printing press or post printing press, all the machine electronic part has to be checked properly with the dust or something. Open the main switches, check whether dust or any contactors have got stuck or not. Required to spray some, do the spray and then only start the machine. Whoever workers are coming to work, first please check their temperature with the thermal scanner. Ask them to wear proper gowning with the mask and then allow them with the social distancing. Please make the provision for food for everyone. Don't allow everyone to bring the food from outside because that can also carry the virus. So I'll make the arrangement for a hygienic food. Make the arrangement if possible to stay them in the nearby premises or within the premises if possible. Whatever raw material comes in, goes out, all the vehicle has to be sprayed with the sanitizers before loading and unloading. Empty vehicle also has to be sanitized. And when the vehicle comes with the raw material, please sanitize.